Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are coming for the first time, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Without wasting our time, let's get into the video.
So today I will be showing you how to play Bybit Coinsweeper game. And you all know in every game there are rules. So the rules of this game is that try and not to click on any bomb. There are 9 bombs in this number of boxes. So the number of boxes are 54, I think. And there are 9 bombs on the boxes. So let's play randomly and see without paying attention to the whole spells. Let's play randomly and see. So I click on the bomb and I lost. So let's try again. As you can see, we have 9 bombs and we have to try you have to try not to click on any bomb. So at the top, yeah, we have a flag. If we notice a bomb, we will flag it without clicking the bomb. So we need to flag all the 9 bombs in these 54 boxes. So, and if you want to start, always start in the middle. You can click on any box. You can click on any box, but always start in the middle. These 2 boxes around the middle, you can click on any of them so these 2, you can click on any of them so that you can reveal almost maybe half of the boxes. So let's start. All right. As you can see, these are the numbers that are revealed. So let's start with these 2. What are the numbers around these 2? As you can see, we have these 2, with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. We have 8 boxes around this green. We have 8 boxes around this one. This means that there are 2 bombs around the green. Wait, let me say borders. Around there are 2 bombs bordering this green coin number 2. So, and the other numbers are repeat, as you can see. Only 4 boxes are not the only 4 boxes are already revealed. So definitely there are 2 bombs in those 4 boxes. But let's start with this one. Yeah, we have one. These are the boxes that are bordering this one, this coin yellow one. So this definitely there is 1 bomb around it. It's showing that the number 1 is showing that there is bomb around, and definitely this one is the bomb. So we can go up here, switch to flag. After switching to flag, then come back and flag the bomb. Okay. So this is a bomb. So we'll flag it. Then switch back. So let's choose another number. You need to be very careful. So it's 3. Let's see the numbers that are bordering these 3. The neighbors of these 3. So we have empty space, 1, 2, and these unrevealed boxes. So this three meaning is that there are 3 bombs bordering this coin here. So we have 3 boxes already built that are bordering the 3. So all these 3 are bombs. So we'll plug them, switch it here, command plug here, here. So switch it back. So this, let's pick this 2 here. Empty space 1, then this box, then red plug. So this 2 means that there are 2 bombs around this coin, this green coin. There are 2 bombs, and the bombs are, we already plugged the bombs here. This plug shows that we already plugged the 2 bombs bordering this one. So definitely these 3 or little boxes are not bombs. So we can click on them to reveal them. Alright, let's move to another coin. So okay, let's take this one here. As you can see, empty space 1, box, then 1. These are the boxes that are neighbors to this coin 1. So around here there is a bomb around here, and only these 2 boxes are not fully built. So between these 2 there is bomb, and we don't know which one. So let's not make a mistake and choose one, and then so we need to be precise before we can reveal them. Alright, let's pick these 2 down here. What are the boxes that are bordering these 2? This green coin here. We have empty space 3, red flag, then only build box. So there are 2 bombs around here, and we already plugged them. So definitely this one is not a bomb. So we can reveal it. 1. Alright, so let's pick this one again. What are the boxes that bordering this one? We have only build box 1, then this green coin, then plug. So this one is showing that there is 1 bomb around this. There is 1 bomb around this coin, and we already flag it here. So definitely these 2 are not bombs, so we can rebuild them. So it became empty space, as you can see. So let's take this one. What are the boxes that are bordering this one? Only build, empty space, this one, and only build box. So there is 1 bomb around this one, and this is the only box that is already built. So definitely this box is a bomb. So we can switch to plug here. We can plug it here, then switch it back. So 4 bombs could go. So let's fit these 2. What are the boxes neighbors to these 2? We have box or the bill box, red flag 2, 1, empty space 1, red flag box. So there are this 2 is showing means this 2 means that there are 2 bombs around this green coin, and we already flagged them here. These are the borders. These are the borders. So we already flagged the 2 bombs. So definitely these 2 boxes are not bombs, so we can rebuild them. Alright. So let's come to this one. This one here. What are the boxes that neighbors to this one? We have on rebuild box, then red flag, then these two here, like this. And this one means that there is 1 bomb around here, and we already flagged the bomb here. This flag is a bomb, so definitely these 2 are not bombs, so we can't reveal them. Alright, let's move. Let's move forward. I'm taking my time. I don't want to make mistake. Any single mistake. Boom, yeah. Loss. Alright, let me take this one here. These are the borders. These are the borders, and there is 1 bomb around here. This is the only box that is already built, so definitely this box is a bomb, so I can't flag. Black. Then this, let's pick this one. These 2 are definitely not bombs because this is a bomb, and only 1 bomb is bordered around it. These are the number of these are the boxes that are around this one, and we already flagged this is a bomb, so definitely these 2 are not bombs. Alright, we are making progress. Let me pick this one here, like this. We don't have bomb here, and it's showing that there is 1 bomb around here, and this is the only box that is already. Definitely this one is a bomb, so I need to plug it. Alright, this 2 is showing that there is 2 bombs around here. There are 2 bombs around. It's the bombs are already flagged, so definitely this one is not a bomb. Alright, so let's pick these 3. This 3 means that there are 3 bombs around the red coin around here, and we already plug one, so there is 2 bombs. And also these are the 2 boxes that is already done, so definitely these 2 boxes are bombs. You need to flag them. Let's change to flag. So we already flagged all the 9 bombs, so definitely these 2 are not bombs. Boom. So I think the more time you waste here, the less coin you get, so you need to solve the puzzle very fast. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.